We depend on credit for so many important things in life, whether it's for buying a car, house or computer or getting a student loan. A 3-digit number, your credit score, can determine whether you can do these things and even how much it will cost you. Your credit score is an important indicator of your financial health, as well as a tool you can use to live a better life. You've probably heard you need good credit to take out a mortgage or borrow money to buy a car. But there are other areas of your life where good credit can help. For example, a positive credit history can be seen as a major plus by potential employers who might ask to see a modified version of your credit report. Good credit can even help you qualify for lower insurance rates. In today's video, we are going to explain the concept of credit score and how to improve your credit score. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents a numerical expression of your credit health. This score is designed to help lenders assess risk, specifically the likelihood that you will become delinquent on your credit obligations in the next 24 months. There are many different credit scoring models out there, but the FICO credit score is the most popular and widely used. In fact, more than 90% of top lenders rely on the FICO score to help them determine consumer eligibility for their financial products. Another popular scoring model you may have heard of is the Vantage score, and there are several different models of Vantage scores out there, too. Fairly recently, the Ultra FICO scoring model was developed to help people improve their credit. When it comes to credit scores, and specifically FICO scores, you'll have 3 different ones. That's because each of the 3 credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax and TransUnion, assign you a credit score based on their internal process and the information they have in their reports. FICO scores range from 300 to 850, with higher scores being considered better and a lower risk to lenders. How do you get a credit score? The 3 credit bureaus look at your credit report when determining your credit score. With that being said, it's important to point out that your credit score can be different among the 3 credit bureaus. This is due to the fact that each credit bureau likely has different information about your accounts. In other words, having different credit scores isn't necessarily a bad sign. What affects your credit score? By and large, how you use credit will affect your credit score. Factors like whether you pay your bills on time and how much debt you have play the biggest role in determining your credit score. Yet how much new credit you have and how long you have had certain accounts can also make a substantial impact. However, you should also know that mistakes on your credit report can impact your score, and not in a good way. Since different information is reported to your credit reports and your credit score can be different with each credit bureau. The best thing you can do is check over your credit reports for accuracy at least a few times per year. 3 tips to improve your credit score. Pay your bills on time. Since your payment history is the most important factor that makes up your FICO score, you'll want to make sure you never pay bills late. Set your payments up on autopay if you have to, or set up reminders that let you know when your bills are due. Keep your credit utilization at 30% or below. Most experts suggest keeping your credit utilization at 30% or below for the best results in this category. On a very basic level, this means having $3,000 in debt or less for each $10,000 in available credit you have. Don't open a lot of new accounts at once. Since new credit can impact your score, try to avoid situations where you're opening a lot of credit cards or other types of accounts at once. How to check your credit score. While you can get a free copy of your credit reports from annualcreditreport.com, you won't actually see your scores. Fortunately, there are plenty of ways to get a free look at your credit score. For example, many of the top rewards credit cards offer a free FICO score on your monthly credit card statement. Capital One's CreditWise program and Chase's Credit Journey are also available to all consumers, whether you're a customer or not, and both let you see a version of your TransUnion credit score. While there are outside factors that can make building good credit a challenge, you may have more power than you think when it comes to your credit score. Pay your bills early or on time. Don't max out your accounts, and keep an eye on your credit reports for errors, and you should be on your way to better credit in no time. That wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads.